is your mutual fund giving negative returns in the last few months, few years, then this video series is for you. Please check out the previous video for the last three videos I posted on this same topic on a different levels of analyzing. And today it's all about what are the remedies right now. I just wanted to sell it off. I don't like seeing negative returns in my portfolio. I don't want this to go down further. I just want to let me do whatever I want, right? So if this is a condition, please watch this video. Hi, hello, this is Ganesan, your millionaire coach and author of the book Money Leaks. And what are the remedies? One is quick selling. It's quite easy. Just go redeem and online. It's online, completely online. Go register yourself in the mutual fund website and just go and redemption. You can do redemption within 2-3 days. It will come to your account. It's quite simple. But the point is, for the last 2 years, you made sure. For the last 4 years, you made sure you're investing on a regular basis, and it's time to shift. That is the reason I said in the yesterday's video why you should monitor and what you should do. So if that particular fund in that category is not performing in that mutual fund, you can shift to a category in the same mutual fund office. It's quite simple. You can do switch option. Why the switch option is being given? Say you are been in equity for a very long time and now the valuation is huge, and your goal is like within the 2 years time frame. If that is the case, you can switch it to a debt fund and make sure you are earning at least 7% in the next 2 years. So these are the things which you can do, and there are good categories like balance advantage fund, which takes advantage of both equity and debt. So in that condition, it's like quite equity and debt together. In that condition, they monitor. If the equity is high valuation, they will transfer into debt. If the debt is high valuation, they will transfer it into equity. So that's how the market, based on the market condition, the fund managers do. That is what this fund will do. So these are certain options which I can do. Doing switch when your particular fund is not doing good inside the particular fund house itself, and one best thing apart from all these is that even if you're not satisfied, even if you're not sure, what if that particular fund also not doing good? If this is a question you're asking me, the first thing to do is take a paper and pen, because only when you write you will get the closeness and feeling of how far it is going to perform. Write down what is the pros of withdrawing the money right now, and what is the cons of withdrawing the money right now, and what is the pros and cons of withdrawing the money later. When your financial goal is 5 years down the lane, why you need to withdraw later and now, the both the advantages and disadvantages. Start writing it down, and it's be neutral. Don't just say that I want it right now, I'll do it, because humans are like emotional animals, I can say, emotional people, and emotional, not animals, emotional people. Why is that? We decide emotions either for buying things or for eating or whatever, and then we provide logic. This food will not be available, this sweet will not be available because it's Diwali, I should eat it, but later it may not, I may not get, so let me have one more piece, and the haptic will be shooting up like anything. And similarly, any emotional decision to buy a product in Amazon, it's a Indian festival, it's Diwali time, it's festival season, let me go and buy huge stuff. So that is how things will turn up. So if this is the condition you are also facing in your life, then it means that you do things immediately, frequently. Selling also will happen immediately in the case of mutual funds I'm mentioning right now. So you will sell the mutual fund, giving the logic that my fund is not performing, let me put it in a stock market directly. This is a dangerous thing which is happening recently. So most of the people thinking that market is performing like anything in the last 8 months, I should not miss the bus, let me redeem my money in mutual funds and put it out in stock market. This is the worst thing you can do, because you can invest a separate amount in stock market, but withdrawing here and putting there, don't lose everything. So that is the option I can give. And finally, realign your financial goals. As I said, if it is 5 years down the lane, see if it is a priority, or your money withdrawing right now is a priority. Don't give logical reasons like in the next 3 years my business will go up like that, I'll do that, I'll teach my daughter about our latest business opportunities after 10 years, instead of studying in IIT or something. Because if money is there, it can be used for any purpose. Don't try to justify your such a emotional selling of your funds, and say justify with logical reasons. So this is the best thing you should do, but monitor, check with an advisor, and see it is a wise thing to do. Don't just give up for all the emotions. I need to do this, I need to pay my loans, I need to do this. find an alternative way, because you started for your daughter's education, you started this for your buying a car after 5 years. Don't buy the car right now immediately. All these are logical financial goals which has been designed, and if you have been closing it down immediately, it means that you're not ready for patiently building up wealth, because wealth gets created over a long period of time. It takes time to build, and monitoring is a process to help to build up wealth in the long term. So it doesn't happen immediately. So thank you so much for watching today's in this video. You watched like what are the immediate remedies? Should I go in give up to my emotional reasons, or I should wait and make sure I will make my fund to grow. This is the second option is good, right? I'll make my fund to grow. That you can do either learning a lot, follow my videos, or you can check out with a proper advisor and take an informed decision about that. And final video in this series is coming up tomorrow. It's all about how to go forward right now, because right now you have seen how to start, how it is working, and what are the things available, and remedies, immediate remedies, monitoring system. Going forward, if you're starting fresh, if you're someone who is starting fresh in mutual funds, you can watch the video tomorrow, right? Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please click the like button and post your comments, as well as please share this video with your friends so that so many of them will know what is happening in mutual funds and how to do it right now from today. Thank you so much.